Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
I couldn't encourage homeowners any stronger that if they're looking at replacing an air conditioning equipment, I mean, you're talking about a sizable investment. You're crazy not to do a full analysis of the duct system before you bolt that new expensive piece of equipment to a 15, 20, 30, 40-year-old duct system.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. Everyone thinks it's like buying a new refrigerator where you just pull the old one out, plug the new one in, and it's going to work. It's not like that. My dad always used the analogy, it's like a heart. If your heart goes bad, it's because of the veins, and that's what the ductwork is. The doctor's not going to give you a new heart. They're going to fix your arteries and your veins. They're going to put a stent in, fix it. They're not just going to give you a new heart. Putting a new unit in isn't going to fix the ducting problems. It's not going to make your room cool better that wasn't before. It's going to do the exact same.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona